Okay, so she's on the bench. Getting new strings, polishing her up, oiling up the fretboard. Looking pretty good. Got the new knobs on already. New pickups are installed. And the nut's been replaced. Synthetic bone nut. And yeah. Happy with that. So far, so good. Now she gets new strings. Putting these bad boys on. Those are my go-to strings for now. That's what I've been using on all the other basses. Alright, so here she is. New strings on it. New nut. Pickups. Knobs. Next will be the bridge. Changing out the bridge. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the machine heads. I may. They seem to be okay. But definitely going to change out the bridge. And I may put on the ashtray with the F on it. We'll see what happens. Rock the crate. I may let you take a listen to it with the new pickups and the new strings. Fender Jazz 2001. I replaced the pickups with pure vintage 66 Fender pickups, and I put the Fender Jazz knobs on it. It had the Made in Mexico knobs on it. It came with a card. I still have those, but I put them away. Yeah. All right, so here's what it sounds like. I think it sounds pretty good.